Family time matters. The mother, Sarah, is busy on her laptop. The father, John, is seated on a chair reading through some work papers. Their son, Adam, sits silently on the couch.
Dad, can we do something together this weekend?
Adam, I'm really busy with work right now.
Mom, can we go to the park or play a game?
Sweetie, I have a presentation to finish. Why don't you go play on your own?
You both always say that. You never have time for me.
Adam, we're working hard for your future. You need to understand that.
What's the point of my future if I'm lonely now?
John, we've grown so distant. It's like we're just two people sharing the same house.
Don't put all the blame on me, Sarah. You're always busy with your work too.
And you think I don't see Adam feeling neglected? He needs both of us.
I'm doing my best. What do you want from me?
Maybe it's time we stop pretending this is working.
Are you saying we should?
Divorce.
Suddenly, the doorbell rings. It's Granny coming to visit.
Hello, Adam. Granny, I'm so glad you're here. My little champ. You look so sad. What's wrong? Mom and Dad are always busy. They never have time for me anymore. I see. Let's have a chat with them, shall we? Hello, you two. Seems like work is keeping you busy, huh?
Oh, hi, Mom. Yes, it's been a hectic week.
Hi, Mom. Sorry, let me just wrap this up.
Hectic, you say? Too hectic to notice your son is feeling left out?
What do you mean?
I told Granny. You both never spend time with me anymore.
Adam, we didn't mean to make you feel that way.
When was the last time you truly spent time with Adam?
Last weekend?
No. Last weekend, you were on your laptop and Dad was on his phone. Let me tell you a story. When your father was Adam's age, I used to work long hours too. One day, he said something that changed my life.
What did I say?
You said, "Mom, I miss you even when you're in the same room." That broke my heart. From that day on, I made a rule. No matter how busy life gets, family comes first. Work is important, yes, but don't let it steal away these precious moments. Kids don't stay kids forever.
Adam, we're sorry.
You're our world. From now on, we'll make sure you never feel lonely again. And I'll hold you to that promise.
Does that mean we can have family game nights?
Game nights, story time, and weekend adventures. It's a deal.
And Mom, you're always welcome to join us.
Nothing is more beautiful than a family that values being together.
From broken to beautiful.
Lily, do you see what happened to your bat?
I got mad and hit it on the tree. I didn't mean to break it.
Lily, this was a special gift. You were so excited about it last week, remember?
Yes. I'm sorry, Dad. I was just so angry.
Lily, being angry is okay. But breaking things isn't the right way. Come with us. We want to show you something.
All these are my toys?
Yes, Lily. These are the things you've broken when you were angry.
I just get mad and it happens.
We understand that, Lily. Instead of breaking things, we want you to fix them.
Here are the tools and some glue.
But I don't know how to fix them. What if I can't?
It's okay, Lily. Just give it a shot.
I guess I can try. Ugh, this is so hard. Why won't it fit?
Take a deep breath. You can do this, Lily. Think about how much you loved playing with this toy before.
Few minutes later.
I did it.
But that's part of the lesson, sweetheart. When you act in anger, it takes time to fix the damage later.
Yeah, I didn't realize how much I was wasting. I broke so many toys just because I got mad. I'm sorry, Dad and Mom. I'll try not to break things anymore. And if I get mad, I'll take deep breaths like you said.
That's my girl.
Fixing things is much harder than breaking them. Once something is gone, we can't always bring it back.
I feel really bad now. I love that bat.
Feeling bad is okay. It means you understand now.
The midnight alarm. A shared apartment where 3 roommates, Lila, Josh, and Amanda, live together.
Josh, what are you making? It smells interesting.
Just some fries. But I might have added a bit too much chili powder.
You always do. Don't burn the kitchen down, okay?
What is that smell? Josh, that oil smells like it's burning.
I've got it under control. Don't worry.
All right, hope you would manage it.
Hi, this is John from Showpie's Customer Care. I'm calling to inform you that your package has been delayed due to the bomb cyclone.
Oh, right, the bomb cyclone. Yeah, I heard about that. No problem. I guess, when can I expect the delivery?
We're estimating a delay of 2 to 3 days.
Wait, hold on. Oh no, the pan.
Josh, what's happening?
It's fine. Just a little mishap.
What on earth is going on? Josh, the curtains are catching fire. Do something.
I'm on it. I've got the fire blanket ready.
What the heck is going on? Is the kitchen on fire?
Yes, it's all happening at once.
Josh, grab the fire extinguisher.
Where is it? It's supposed to be under the sink.
I moved it last week to make space for cleaning supplies.
Josh, this is not the time for joke.
Forget it. Call 911. I'll get some water.
Hurry. It's spreading to the counter.
You're lucky we got here in time. This could have been much worse. Always have a fire extinguisher. And never leave cooking unattended.
See, even the firefighters agree. You can't move things like that.
I know. I'll never touch the extinguisher again.
And no more multitasking while cooking.
Agreed. From now on, I'll stick to one thing at a time.
No more phone calls during snack time. A time.
Good.
The lost purse. The family is at the park, enjoying the sunny day.
Look, Dad. There's a purse on the bench.
Let's go check.
It's full of stuff. Should we keep it?
No, Jack. It's not ours. We need to find the owner.
But how will we find them?
The park is so big.
Let's open the purse carefully. Maybe there's something inside to tell us who it belongs to.
There are cards and a medical ID.
The name says Mr. Thomas Carter.
What's a medical ID, Mom?
It's a card with important health details. It's really helpful during emergencies.
So we have to give it back, right?
Yes, Jack. Imagine how worried Mr. Carter must be.
What can we do?
Should we ask people in the park?
That's a good idea, Emma.
Let's start near the benches.
Excuse me, madam. Did you lose a purse?
No, it's not mine. But it's nice of you to look for the owner.
What if we don't find Mr. Carter?
If we can't find him here, we'll take the purse to the park office or the police. They can help.
Excuse me, have you seen a brown purse? I think I left it on the bench.
Is your name Mr. Thomas Carter?
Yes, that's me.
We found it.
Thank you so much. This is all my important things.
We're happy you got it back.
You're very kind. I was so worried. Here, take this as a thank you.
Oh no, we can't accept that. Helping you was the right thing to do.
You're a wonderful family.
That felt good.
Without his purse, Mr. Carter would have been sad all day.
Yeah. Helping someone feels even better than playing.
Kindness works like that.
Being kind can help someone a lot.
We'll remember, Mom and Dad.
The little boy and the old man's bench.
On a quiet morning, a young boy named Tim wandered into the park, clutching a kite. He struggled to fly it as the wind was too weak. Nearby, an old man named Mr. Harris sat on a weathered bench, observing.
Hi, sir. Do you always sit here in the park?
Hello, young man. Yes, I come here every morning. It's peaceful. What brings you here?
I brought my kite, but there's no wind today. I'm sad because I can't fly it.
I see. The wind isn't always kind, but there's a trick you can try.
A trick? What do you mean?
When I was your age, my father told me, if the wind doesn't come, you can create your own by running. Give it a go.
Wow, that's a great idea. I'll try running to fly it. Thank you so much.
Remember, sometimes you just need to take action instead of waiting.
It worked, Mr. Harris. Look at it fly.
Good job, Tim. See, all it took was some effort and a positive attitude.
I'm so happy. Thank you for helping me.
Anytime, Tim. Never forget, gratitude and action can solve many problems.
I'll remember that. Have a great day, sir.
You too, Tim. Keep that kite and your spirit soaring.
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.